I'm Emily from Minor DIY, and I'm going to show you how to make an explosion of gnomes for your home. All the gnome ornaments you see here fit inside this explosion box. There's 5 layers of explosion, along with one final box where you can tuck in a cute little Christmas gift. I'll show you how to make it now. Let's get started.
The first step is to upload the Gnome Ornament SVG and then cut it out. After you've downloaded the Gnome Explosion box file, you need to unzip it. Double-click the zip file. Inside the folder that opens, you'll find all the files you need. On your computer, open up Cricut's Design Space, start a new project, and then click on the Upload Images button. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Gnome Holiday Ornaments SVG file. Click on the green Save button. Now, click on the image you just uploaded, then click on the green Insert Images button. You can see we have 3 different sizes of gnome, which fit into the Gnome Explosion box perfectly. So each ornament consists of a few basic pieces. Here you can see we have the main body piece. Here we have the beard. Next we have the nose, which goes right in the middle there. And finally, the black piece is a slightly larger piece that outlines the whole ornament. You can also choose to use a background piece. When you import the SVG into Design Space, the beard gnome's line type is set to draw. I usually use a gray marker to draw the accents on the beard. If you want, you could change the line type to foil, so you could use the new Cricut foil tool. There's nothing you need to change or attach or group in the SVG file, so when you're ready, go ahead and just click on the green Make It button to cut out your pieces. Now that we have all the pieces cut out, we glue all of them together to make the ornament. So this is a great project to use small square scraps on. You can see I have 12 different colors for each of the body bases here. Of course, I had to experiment and see what the foiled beards look like. Cute and shiny. But it is a lot quicker to just use the gray marker for all of the beards. I always use art glitter glue, and no, it doesn't have glitter, but it's a nice tacky glue with a fine tip. So first glue on the beards, then go ahead and glue on the nose, then glue on the ornament frame, starting with the top hanger, and finally glue the round background on. The last step of the gnome ornament is to add a hanger. Simply cut a piece of string or ribbon or yarn, loop it through, tie it in a knot, and it's ready to go. And now, the ornaments are ready to be tucked inside the optional Explosion of Gnomes gift box.
And that's how you make an explosion of gnomes for your home. You can grab the free Gnome Ornament SVG files at the link below. I hope you enjoy creating as much as I did.